Hello everyone and welcome to another art video. So I recently got this Menso Brush in size small from Kuretake. It's a Japanese company. I'm gonna try this one out and share my experience with you. So the brush itself is made by natural hair. It's goat and horse mix. It's very soft and I actually like working with it. I'm not really used to working with brushes when it comes to combining it with inks. So I really had a fun experience doing this piece. And the handle is really comfortable to hold in. Now, I'm one of those people that enjoy grabbing the tip of the brush, the very end of it, and depending on what design it is, I always end up hurting my fingers after a while, and this one did not hurt. And yeah, as I mentioned before, it's the very first time I am using a brush in combination with ink, so using it in creating a line art was definitely something different, because from a fine liner, which I'm usually used to working with. I had to keep my hand a little bit separated from the paper, a little bit more up in the area. People who are experienced with working with brushes like this probably know what I mean. As a fine liner, you can just hug the paper with your hand. I probably mentioned it before, I really enjoyed working with this brush. And that's not just something I am saying. And here on the drawing I started to define some small texture on the leaves of the berries. And yeah, the motif I decided to draw is a landscape scenery where I used Lapporten as a backdrop. Lapporten is a natural formation in northern Sweden, in Abisko to be precise. I saw it the first time when I was a little kid, so it means a lot to me on a nostalgical level, and it's just a really pretty part of nature. And I left the sketches also on the clouds so you could see how I plan them out. And I also used a Winsor and Newton black Indian ink for the line art itself. And here, as you can see on the sky, I am using the Ecoline black liquid watercolor diluted in some water, because I wanted to see if the brush also could handle it in that way. For the background I used a different brush because it was bigger. And now I am shading the berries with just the pure black ink, and I am using the feathering method. I understood that's what it's called. I am not really that great with names when it comes to certain techniques. I was doing cross-hatching way before I knew it was called cross-hatching. Yeah, the brush itself is also, very flexible. I could do very small details, but in order to be consistent in keep doing those small details, I had to focus a lot more than what I do with a fine liner. And yeah, I suppose that's just a learning curve. And now I'm using the same Menso brush again with the Ecoline. No, wait, sorry. With the Winsor and Newton ink diluted in some water, as I wanted to see how well it handled water also with the ink, and it handled it really well, better than my expectations. I would actually really recommend anyone who is curious about trying this brush or wanna try brushes in general with ink combination to get this one. It's not expensive at all. Well, I don't find it. It was €8 for me from eBay. And here you can see also on the clouds, I went back into the Ecoline liquid watercolor, as I wanted to keep it closer to the sky. I'm not sure if it's if you can see it that easy on the video, but the Winsor and Newton ink looked a bit warmer, as where the Ecoline liquid watercolor had a bit more colder pigments into it. So that's why I wanted to keep it like that. But yeah. And yeah, I can see that we're starting to reach the end of this video. I would like to thank each and every one of you for making it to the end of it. It really means a lot to me, and if you guys have any feedback or suggestions for future video, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and a share if you wouldn't mind. It would mean a lot to me. As always, all my information along with the materials used can be found in the description box below. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.